Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you today. I found some fun stuff that I wanted to share with you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with these big, huge bags I found. I found these bags. They are 18 inches long and 12.5 inches wide. So this one's really pretty. It's really super colorful. I just thought it was really pretty. And I love the kind of purpley violet ribbons. And then the big birdie one. And the backs are the exact same. And then the big sunflower with the teal. These would be really like pretty like framed posters almost. I also found two, I'm really sorry if you can hear that helicopter. I found two new bows. They had different colors, but these are the ones that I wanted. They had like a lime green color, I think, as well. I can't remember. I think they had actually another, maybe like a purple. I think, I'm not sure, but I really think these are really cute. So if you've been watching my Dollar Tree hauls, you will know that I am building a fairy garden, and I started putting out the stuff because I finally found the like shelving unit that I was looking for, and I will be posting pictures on my Instagram. So if you want to follow me there, you can go ahead and follow me. My link is always down below. But I found these moss sheets, and I'm really excited about these. I think they're going to look really cool as bases for all the little components that I bought. So I also found the planner holders. So I'm going to open these up real quick. There are 4 different designs. I only got the fox and the turtle. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. That is adorable. The turtle is so cute. It's got so much detail. Like, I am so impressed by these. They are so cute. I found these tote bags, these like canvasy tote bags. I think I got all of the ones that they had. I'm going to open this up because I want to see how big the bag is. Okay, so this one says, just be you. And I like how long the handles are because they go over your shoulder. They're not too big. There's no like, it's a pretty good sized little bag. Let's see how big it is. It is like 13 inches by 17 inches. And there's no gusset, so it's pretty, it doesn't, you know, give you a whole lot of space, but I think they're really cute. I don't recommend washing them though. They shrivel up when you wash them, so I don't really recommend washing them. This one says, work hard, play hard. And this one I love. This says, here is a hedgehog hug. Hedge hug. And then this one's really cute too. Have a nice day. So I just thought these were really cute. I bought these little socks. Actually having a little get together tomorrow. It's Valentine's Day themed, so I thought these would be cute to wear. So they just say, hug me. And then the little fox ones, I'm going to take these off the... I just want to look at what these look like. Oh yeah, those are cute. They're such a bright pink. And then this one I think is a monkey. Yeah, that one's a little monkey with a heart eyes. That's really cute. So they're really soft. I found a couple cute magnets. If you don't know, I have a box that I have a bunch of like gift stuff that I can just like grab and go if I'm going to somebody's house or seeing a friend for lunch or something and I want to bring them a little gift. So I thought these would be really cute to put in there. This is I Always Be With You, Matthew 28:20. This is Faith, Hope, and Love. I like this one a lot. This one's Let Go and Let God. It's funny because this looks like a sticker that they have, a wall decal sticker that says Let Go and Let God. It's the same kind of lettering, but I love the bright yellow. And then Life is Fragile, Handle with Prayer. So I bought these to put in my little box. I found some new ribbon. So I had hauled the purple, the purple lace kind of ribbon last haul, and somebody had mentioned that they there's also a blue, I think a blue and a pink. So I found the blue, still haven't found the pink, but I was glad that they found the blue. And I like this blue. I think this is a really pretty blue. And then this one has little llamas on it. Which I'm not really a super fan of the llamas, but I thought this was cute enough to get. And I do have some potential like llama themed like layouts for my happy planner and stuff. So I thought that was cute. And this one has like little teepees and cactuses on it. So it goes it's the same, it's a Southwest llama ribbon. So it's the same thing. I think there's actually four. I want to say there's 4 different ones. I'm not exactly sure what the other 2 look like though. I cannot remember. I didn't really like them, so I didn't pick them up. And then this one, these are also new. At least I've never seen them before. And I love that they're doing navy now. I've seen a couple different options in navy. So this is the pink and silver. I love that one. And then the brown and gold, or the off-white and gold. And then the navy and kind of like blue inside. I think those are really pretty. New kind of theme pot holders and towels. I was really excited to find these actually. There wasn't that many left in my store. So if you do see them, I definitely recommend picking them up. So here comes spring. So I can put this out during the springtime. And then the little towel that matches it. Got the butterfly on it. I really love this one. Bloom where you're planted. I hope they come out with like more stuff with this design on it. This one's really pretty to me. I love the teal, and then the really pretty yellow and teal mix. I just think that's super pretty. So I'm really excited to have those. And then kind of that same concept, I got a set of the plates and stuff. So let me kind of set this up. So there's this. Okay, there we go. So they have 2 different sets that they have available. They have the ones with the birds. Now they do have the napkins that are like a half flower, like the kind that were wavy. I ended up not getting those. I didn't use them. I got the ones with the blue flowers on them, and I didn't get them. Now I'll probably end up eventually buying them, but just this time I didn't. So these are the hummingbird ones. I really like this design. Spring Fling. And then the blue, or the big napkins and the small napkins. I do quite a bit of hosting at my house, so I always like to have this kind of stuff on hand, just if anyone's coming over, I can have a cute little napkin and, you know, plates to give them. And then I like just to use them on my own for myself. So then I've got the little heart or the flower shaped bowl plate, and I love this big square plate. I think that's really pretty. And I love that there's kind of like the center is open, so that when you put the food on it, you can still see the pretty design. And then I also bought the little the paper cups that go with it. And then I bought the flower and butterfly one. Same thing. Really cute. So I bought the full set of both of those. And then they also had this really cute one. I hope they come out with more things with this. Spring Fling. Hello Spring. Look how cute with the little ladybugs and this little garden scene. I'm definitely going to use this in a junk journal as like decoupage this. This is just super cute to me. So I was really excited to find that. I recently started bullet journaling and I found these brush pins there. Now I'm sure this is like just a closeout or something because it's not like, yeah, it's not a Dollar Tree brand, but I bought all the colors that I seen. Actually, no, I'm sorry. They did have like a lime green and I didn't buy that one. But yeah, I tested them in my bullet journal. At least I tested the gray one, and it's perfect for what I want to use it for, because what I do in my bullet journals is I like to outline the times, because I have them, like I have the times written out, so I like to outline. Here, let me show you. I outline the times. So I like to have, I love that it's just like a simple gray that's very, like, you can't hardly basically see it. And it fit perfectly in the little dots. So I haven't tried the other colors yet, but I was really excited to find these. Okay, last thing. I am throwing my 50-ish friend. So my friend is turning 50-ish. And we're having a unicorn party for her because, you know, when you turn 50-ish, I don't know exactly how old she is, but she's definitely she's in her 50s, and she's coming over on Sunday, and we're doing a little get together, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to buy this for her. It's got like a little unicorn. Look how cute this book is. And I bought like a bunch of unicorn stuff. I didn't show it to you, but I bought like a bunch of unicorn stuff from the party section. Because who says that you have to be 10 or, you know, I think once you reach a certain age, you can have a unicorn party. So it's like, and then look at all the little things, and then you use the stickers. You put the stickers on the different parts. And then I also bought the crowns. I bought the Crayola glitter crowns. And so I'm going to have these out for everyone. We've got about a couple of friends coming over, so I bought a little set for everyone, all the friends that are coming over. Just as a little fun little thing to do. I don't know. You know, I'm a kid at heart. All right, guys. Well, that was everything that I got today at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it, like it, subscribe, all that good stuff. I've only got like 90-ish people left before I hit 8,000, and I'm so excited. So if you could help me out and subscribe if you haven't done so, that would be amazing. And I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.